Have you ever wondered how one man could unite a divided land, defeat a formidable enemy, and still be remembered for his chivalry and honor? This is the story of such a man, Salahuddin Ayyubi. Born in Tikrit, Iraq in 1137, Salahuddin was of Kurdish origin. Known for his skills as a horseman and archer, he was destined to become more than just a warrior. He was destined to become a leader. In the mid-12th century, the Muslim world was divided. The Fatimid Caliphate of Egypt and the Abbasid Caliphate of Syria were at odds with each other. But Salahuddin had a vision of a united Muslim force, and he worked tirelessly to bring this vision to life. He managed to bring together the armies of Egypt and Syria, ending the division and giving birth to a stronger force. But Salahuddin's achievements did not stop there. In 1187, he led his united forces against the Crusaders in the Battle of Hattin. His brilliant military tactics of guerrilla warfare and ambushes led to a decisive victory and the retaking of Jerusalem. This marked a turning point in the Crusades and cemented Salahuddin's reputation as a formidable military commander. Yet his victories on the battlefield were not his only legacy. Salahuddin was also a founder, the founder of the Ayyubid dynasty. This dynasty would rule over Egypt, Syria, and parts of North Africa and the Middle East for nearly a century, shaping the region's history and culture. However, Salahuddin was not just a military leader. He was a man of honor and chivalry. He treated his enemies with respect and allowed Christians and Jews to live under Muslim rule, promoting a spirit of religious coexistence. He was also a patron of scholars and poets, and a poet himself. Despite his power and wealth, he lived a life of humility and simplicity. Salahuddin passed away on March 4, 1193 in Damascus, Syria, but his legacy lives on. Today he is revered as a national hero in Egypt and Syria. His name is synonymous with bravery and leadership and continues to inspire people around the world. In the end, Salahuddin's life was more than just a series of battles and victories. It was a testament to the power of unity and the strength of character. He was a symbol of courage, wisdom, and honor. And his story serves as a reminder that even in the face of adversity, it is possible to lead with dignity and grace. This was the life and legacy of Salahuddin Ayyubi, a man who changed the course of history.